What's going down, you guys? It's Oli coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be learning all the white major scales, so let's get right into it. So starting off with C major, we're going to be doing all the white keys. There's not going to be any sharps or flats in this scale, so let's get right into it. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, cross over with your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back down, it's going to be the same. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross over with your third finger. 3, 2, 1. Next is going to be D scale, D major scale. It's going to have F sharp and it's going to have C sharp. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like the other one. 1, 2, F sharp on 3. 1, 2, 3, cross over with your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4 on C sharp. 4, 5, back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross over with your third finger on F sharp. 3, 2, 1, all together. Moving on, E major scale. It's going to have F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and D sharp. 4 sharps. So let's do it. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like the other ones. 1, 2, 3, F sharp and G sharp. Cross over with your thumb. A, 2, 3 on C sharp, 4 on D sharp. 3, 4, 5. Back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross over with your third finger on G sharp. 3, 2, 1. Cool. Next is F major scale. This is the only one that's going to have a different fingering. It's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to have B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross over to C with your 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Together. Next is G. It's only going to have F sharp. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 on F sharp. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Cool. All together. Next is A major. It's going to have C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like the other ones. 1, 2, 3 on C sharp, 1 on D. 1, 2, 3 on F sharp, 4 on G sharp, and finishing off with A. Back down. 3 on C sharp. Together. Last scale is going to be super easy. You're only going to be playing the white notes of B and E. All the rest are going to be black notes. And it's going to still be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, cross over to E. All black notes. Then B. Back down. 3 on D sharp. Together. There you guys have it. Those are all the white major scales. We will be doing a weekly video, so make sure to comment down below what you guys want to see next. And hit that subscribe button for me, and we'll see you next time.